I'm Diana Ruth, COO and co-founder of Milk Makeup. Cooling water is made of natural sea minerals and caffeine. So those ingredients infused into this gel stick are what give it its instant cold effect. It instantly depuffs, increases circulation, and pulls down redness in your skin. We decided to develop cooling water because we all had skin issues like puffiness, redness, inflammation, and we wanted one quick, easy solution that guys and girls could put on their skin any time of day. You can swirl the stick around your eye area to depuff. You can put it all over your entire face, down your neck and body, or on pulse points to cool down and invigorate. Cooling water can be stored in the fridge overnight. You can take it out in the morning and it's extra cold, so it'll pull down puffiness and redness in an instant. Convenient packaging is great. It's really easy to use on the go. It's also great to be used as a primer base under your concealer or eye makeup. I like to use cooling water around 3 o'clock after a long day to freshen up. It's also great for new moms who are very sleep deprived and to pull down the puffiness in your mom bags. So that's the who, what, why, where, and when of Milk Makeup's cooling water.